What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where this 2022 VW Passat Limited Edition marks the end of the US production. Now, the 2022 VW Passat Limited Edition commemorates the end of the assembly of the German brand sedan in the United States. To say goodbye, the company adds some classy touches to the special model. It is building just 1,973 of them, which is a reference to the year of the vehicle's original launch in Germany. And the brand is building 411 examples in Aurora Red Metallic and a Titan Black interior. This number is the Passat's original vehicle production code. Now, there are 423 racing green metallic models with a marble brown cabin, and VW builds the American Passat in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and this figure is the area code there. Now, the company is making 524 in a pure white body with marble brown, and this refers to the Chattanooga factory opening on May 24th, 2011. Finally, there are 615 examples of platinum gray metallic with a Titan Black interior. And this number represents the 6 generations of the imported Passats in America, 1 made in the US and 5 decades made of US sales. Now, in addition to these color combos, all Passat limited editions will get 18-inch wheels with a 15-spoke design, black mirror caps, power folding side mirrors, and LED headlights. Inside, a 1 of 1973 emblem appears on the side of the seat tags, and Chattanooga 2011 is on the other side. Special mats are at the bottom of the cup holders that show an aerial map of Chattanooga and a drawing of the factory from above. Now, all limited editions get a comfort sport seat with perforated Vienna leather, driver's seat memory, and a power adjustable passenger seat. Now, both rows of seating are heated with navigation and a Fender stereo with front and rear parking assist that are also standard. Now, the 2022 Passat Limited Edition will start at $30,295 plus a $995 destination charge. And the 411 units in Aurora Red Metallic will be an additional $395 for a price of $30,690. Now, VW launched the Passat in Europe in 1973 and introduced it to the US in 1974 under the model name Dasher. The company called the second-gen version the Dasher in the US, but the vehicle did not get the Passat name in this country, so in 2011, VW decided to build a US market-specific version of the Passat that was larger than its European counterpart, and here we are today. So with that said, the last hurrah, what do you guys think about the limited edition 2022 VW Passat that ends the production here in the US? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can talk about the last Passat being built here in the US, the 2022 VW's Passat Limited Edition. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, for my Cash App, and for my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. You can also help support by checking out the Ron's Rides merch, just in case you guys want tank tops, stickers, tote bags, water bottles, everything Ron's Rides. I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. So everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos, that doesn't always make it here to the channel. And with that said, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you won't miss one news video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.